A warm welcome back, dear friends. I'm Taz from Taslima My Art. Thank you for being here. I appreciate all my wonderful viewers who enjoy this channel on acrylic pouring, fluid art, mixed media, texture and sculpture flowers, as well as much more. There really is something for everyone. If you'd like to become a patron and support this channel, please find the link down below in my description box. I'm super thrilled to tell you that today, up after me will be the wonderful Kat's Fluid Art Creations, and up after her will be the amazing Sheldon Briscoe of Shellrock Art. So stay tuned, and do show your love and support for the fellow artists. I really hope you enjoy it. So today, my friends, I'll be doing a very simple straight pour for you, using the colours as shown on the screen, and I hope you enjoy it.
Said you were too tired to walk the line. I said then hold up, precious. I can be a goldsmith and you a nomad or a tailor, and we don't have to follow the rules. Oh, I can do anything when I look at you. You're smiling, just really doing nothing. That's the thing I like about you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Yeah, no, nothing's complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild ones. Let's just run away. complicated with you. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you. On the highway, it's our way, Route 66, and we keep on driving. We just do what we wanna do. Hey, playing songs on the radio, sing along to the words that we don't know how. Brings out the wild. Let's just run away. Yeah, I could drive the whole night long. Being with you is like being on the rodeo house. Brings out the wild. I got a little crush on you. Ooh, I got a little crush on you. 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 Come closer, dance for me. Easy, tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Everything that has been don't matter no more. We've burned it
lost, I was lost without any direction. Had a line so many times, but I needed attention. No matter what I say, no matter my regrets, things still been said and done. There's not a part of me that wants to say no.